Hello everyone, and once again welcome to Google Ads course. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video we are basically going to talk about the billing setup, which is again a very important thing, right? So once you have created your Google Ads account and you know how this Google Ads account actually works and what are the different levels in the Google Ads account, and there will be different settings at each and every level in the campaign creation process, and there are four major steps when we are creating the campaign, that is campaign level settings, then at group level settings, and then there is like ads. We have to create the actual ads, the ad copies, and then there is a review process. So you can basically review it and you can confirm and you can run your campaign. So this is what we have learned so far, and now it's time to understand the billing concept, right? Because when you have created your Google Ads account, which means that you are going to run some campaigns over here. So when you are going to run some campaigns over here, you have to enter your payment details over it, how you are going to pay Google Ads for the campaigns that you are going to run, right? When you will be receiving some clicks, you are basically going to pay Google Ads. So what are the different modes, what are the different payment methods that Google offers you, and where those options are, that we are going to explore in this particular video. So once your account is all set up, right, you are about to begin, you can simply go to tools and settings, and then this last section contains all the billing options over here. Here is the summary, documents, transactions, settings, promotion. So first of all, we need to go to this setting option to set up the basic payments options or the basic payment settings over here, right? So it's kind of a new billing setup over here, and it provides option for the both, right? The individuals and also the businesses. So if you are a business, if you are a registered business, and you want to claim GST, or you want to have some input benefits, you have those options over here. And for more discussions or for more information, basically information about how do we need to set up the billing for a business, you can consult your CA or the lawyer, right? So let us do the setup over here, and we are seeing payment setup over here. And first of all, we are seeing billing country, which we will keep as India, because right now we are in India. And as soon as we are keeping it as India, we are going to see the by default currency set over here, which is INR. That's absolutely fine. And now we are having this account type option over here. So we have to choose between organization and like individual, right? So if we are individual, we have these payment options, right? We have net banking option, I have money transfer option, I have add credit or debit card option. So if I am having a debit card or a credit card as an individual, I can put those details over here and Google will take the payment from there, right? Or I can link our Paytm wallet over here, right? So once I link my Paytm wallet over here, I can also transfer the money to Google Ads account and we can run the campaigns, right? So this is very basic, right? So this is basically at the individual level. We can see it is basically at the individual level. And once we come to this organization level, we have to enter the name of the organization. So let's say I'm entering WS Tech over here. Now the payment methods, we will be clicking on payment methods over here. So these are the different payment methods. And let me tell you, the most reliable payment method is credit card. So it is recommended that you must go with credit card option, right? So once we click on this organization name, and once we click on this add credit card or debit card, we have to enter the card number over here. And then again we are having two options over here: automatic payments, which is very basic thing, right? I mean, you can understand it by the name itself. The name says all the things that yes, once you enter your credit card, right, it's kind of a postpaid thing. So you run your campaign, you spend your money, and then there is a billing, and they will take the payments automatically from your card, right? So this is the automatic payment method. And once you select it to manual payment, right, so you basically, this one is like a prepaid system where you are manually putting the amount, like you are putting 15,000 rupees, fine, you wanted to pay 15,000 rupees to Google Ads, right? They will be there in your ad account, and whatever spend you will be doing on Google Ads platform, the amount will be detected from there, right? So this is how it actually works. This is again a very important thing. And then you have to just simply click on I agree to the Google terms, and then you have to submit, and that's it, your payment is basically set up. And now once you set up all this and you go to summary, you are going to see a very different kind of interface over here, right? We are seeing the same interface just because we haven't set up yet and let's do it. Let's go to individual right now. Let's go to net banking, and then you have to put more information over here, right, about your name and everything, and then you have to decide, and then you have to agree and submit, right. So once you submit all these things, there will be a very different kind of interface that you are going to experience, a very different kind of interface that you will be experiencing, and there you will be seeing your billing details and everything, the amount that you are spending, how much amount is left, how much is your account limit and everything, those all information will be there, right. So that's it for this specific video, and this is how you are going to do your new billing setup. So that's it, see you in the next video, till then, goodbye.